Winter is here, and if you are a plant parent in coastal area in India, you might be feeling worried seeing yellow leaves, slow growth and no flowers at all. But let me tell you one important thing. This winter is not harsh enough to kill most plants in these coastal areas. So, today I'll show you 6 very common plants that look bad in winter but bounce back beautifully in summer if you just give them some time. Let's start with hibiscus. In winter, hibiscus often stops flowering, drops a few leaves, looks dull and tired. This is completely normal. What you should not do: don't overwater, don't force flowering with fertilizer, just keep it in sunlight and water only when soil is dry. Once temperature rise, flowers will return. Next is Syngonium, our favorite indoor plant. In winter, you may notice very slow growth, smaller leaves, pale color. This does not mean your plant is dying. So, you should give them bright indirect light, water them less, and absolutely no fertilizer in winter. When summer comes, Syngonium grows like magic again. Now about crotons, they create the maximum panic. In winter, leaves falls, color fade, plants looks unhappy. Croton hates temperature change. So, always keep it in one stable spot. Give them good sunlight. Avoid frequenting shifting. Once warmth returns, new colorful leaves appear. Many people think Vinca is dead in winter. Truth is, their flowering stops, their growth slows, plus plant looks plain and leggy. Just reduce watering and wait. As soon as summer starts, Vinca starts flowering non-stop again. Now about Coleus. Coleus may lose their bright colors, they become very leggy, they drop their leaves, but this is their seasonal behavior. What helps them to bounce back? Bright light, light pruning only, and no heavy feeding. Summer will bring back those vibrant colors, so don't worry. Now about Portulaca. This is the biggest winter illusion. Sometimes the plant disappears, only dry stems remain. But don't throw it away. Roots stay alive in the soil. Just keep the pot dry and in sunlight. In summer, it returns like a surprise gift. So, I'm giving you some tips about common winter mistakes. You should avoid these mistakes to keep your plant better. That is overwatering, fertilizing too often in winter because plants are in dormancy, so over fertilizing ruin them. Repotting in winter, that is again they are in dormancy, so don't disturb them. And panic pruning, don't prune them hard because this time their growth is slow, so over pruning will kill them. Remember, winter is just a resting period for most of the plants. So in coastal areas where winter is not so harsh, plants don't die in winter. They just slow down and rest. So be patient, observe and wait. Your plants will reward you in summer. If this video is helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the Green Thumbs Guide, and also comment below about which plant worried you the most in this winter. See you next Monday.